Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, I do makeup tutorials, and then I also do product reviews along the way. As you read from my title, I got my Boxy Charm Premium yesterday. I cannot believe it. It had not updated for several days, and on Saturday night about 7 p.m. I get an alert that something's in my mailbox. So I rush over to look, and this bad boy is waiting for mama. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited, you guys. I seriously haven't even opened it. Look it, it's sealed. So if you guys want to see what I got in my November Boxy Charm Premium box, please keep on watching. But before we go any further, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bells, as I'm currently trying to do a video every day. And also comment below what your favorite item is from my box, and or what are you looking for in your Boxy Premium. And let's go. Alright, so as I mentioned in the intro, I haven't opened my address. As I mentioned in the intro, I haven't opened it. I don't know where my scissors are, so I use this guy. Do some damage. Anyways, but I love it. I'm just kidding. I don't even know what's in here. But as a second box, Boxycharm has the premium, and it's really cool, like powder blue box on the inside. We got our box, we got a card right here, which this month our theme is whimsical. Yeah, I'm sorry, our theme this month is whimsy. Sorry, I'm gonna put this down because it's awkward. And because everyone's asking, and this is actually really, and this is really early, but my card number is 32. I don't know how many variations are in the premium box. 32 seems like a lot, but oh my god, 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 you guys. My heart, I'm not joking, oh my god, oh my god. I just saw the first item on my box. I just saw it on my card. So Boxycharm, right? They actually give you your items and the prices. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so sorry. Boxycharm actually gives you the items that you're gonna get along with their retail value. Now, every so often, they might accidentally, I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt, but they might accidentally do a little typo and write a price incorrectly by $1 or $2. You know, but most of those times I'm not tripping. There's just some other people that are for some reason. But anyways, oh my god. Okay. Calm down, Janet, calm down. So, I honestly feel like I got the best box. So, my first item is the Ciati London cup. The first item I got is the Ciati London Confetti Highlighter. Oh my god, my heart's racing. And let me open it up. I'm like so excited, I just ripped the box, dang it. Anyways, comes nicely packaged. I actually was looking forward to getting this. So this highlighter looks so pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna swirl it. Whoa, look at that. Oh my god, that's so gorgeous. Now I would definitely have to go in light-handed since I'm pretty fair skin, but this is gorgeous, you guys. Oh my god. And the Ciate London, oh my god. And the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter is $32 retail dollars. Throw those to the side. Okay, I need to open this. I can't believe it. So right before the end of November, Boxycharm announced that they were gonna add the Natasha Denona palette, the cranberry palette, sorry, which retails at $48, but they were gonna add this to the rotation because we were originally gonna get either A, the Storybook Cosmetics, the Briarwood, or B, the Dose of Colors, I don't remember the name. And there was gonna be a huge chance that many of us might end up with the double Briar because so many of us have a Luxe as well, and there might not have been enough of a Dose of Colors. And honestly, I did not like the packaging of the Dose of Colors. I don't like how it's shaped or anything. I was not excited for it in the first place. So when they announced the Natasha Denona, I was very, very hopeful I would get this. So I got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Because yes, I do have Luxe box, and then I actually have a base box as well, just for the, you know, I added an account just for these months, but oh shit, it's not bad. Anyway, sorry. So I added have the base box for the month, which are Luxe. So this is the palette, the cranberry palette. Look at these gorgeous colors, you guys. So beautiful. So this the darkest cranberry had like a little bit of corner fallout, nothing crazy, just enough for me to wipe it off, which I'm glad. I don't want to have any more damages. I'm just so happy. But look at these colors, they're just so gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch them really quick. Sorry, I don't have a towel. And here's the swatches. They're not in order. So here's the bottom, that cranberry color, the first pink tone, that reddish tone, and then that golden tone. Honestly, this does not do it justice. I'm really rushing it. I'm just so excited. I kind of wish I would have done this look with my box. I didn't think about it. I was just like, I usually get not the best of luck, and I just assumed in my head I was gonna most likely be one of those people getting the Dose of Colors. So that's what I thought. But this is by far 2 out of 2 already. And I would have been like golden with that. Next, this was my choice item, which was from Bite Beauty. It's the Nighttime Lip Therapy. I was actually glad because lately my lips have been crap. They're so dry. I exfoliate, I moisturize, I prime, I'm doing everything, but my lips are getting just so dried out. Ooh, this is really cute and big. But this is an agave lip balm. It has a little spatula, ooh, in a container. The Bite Beauty Nighttime Lip Therapy is a $22 retail, which I'm excited for. Now this is also super cool because I was actually a little sad when back in August or something, I forgot what month, like back in the summer, Ipsy had given, you know, particular members the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, and I was bummed because I didn't get it. Once we found out that they were giving out like the travel size, I was like, ooh, I'm glad I dodged a bullet, because my box ended up turning out really good in the end. I got a foundation out of it. So, but Boxycharm just hooked me up in my premium box. Look at that, you guys. Full size item. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer is a $39 retail value, and everyone talks and raves about this, so I'm so ecstatic to get to try this out. So major win in my book. Now this one right here is from Advent Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Ooh. It's a deluxe hyaluronic acid verifying face and night cream. It's for anti-aging moisturizer for the face, targeting the eyes. It helps enlarge pores, uneven skin tones, fine line stillness, weak skin and the surface. Holy moly! This retails for $134. I remember a few months back, Boxy was giving, like, as a signing bonus, like a sign-up bonus, sorry, their primer, and it was really expensive too. So I'm excited to try this out, you know, especially it's an antioxidant duo, and it works for both your face and your eyes. It's very rare, but I have found some of those that do work that way, so that's cool. Last but not least is from Kat Von D Cake Pencil Liner, retailing at $19. I'm not gonna lie, actually, you guys, I'm glad I got this. I've wanted to try her cake liner, and I've heard that they're really good. Ooh, they're very creamy. It's very creamy, very smooth. But anyways, I know a lot of people have an uproar with Kat Von D, but this is just makeup. I'm gonna leave my personal feelings aside. It's a product, it works or it doesn't work in this situation right now. We all have our personal opinions. Like, I like a lot of controversial and non-controversial brands. Basically, let's just say that. But anyways, the cake liner was in the rotation as well, and honestly, this applied very smooth, very creamy. I can't wait to try it out on a full look. Now, I was so excited, I didn't actually tally nothing up this time, so I will leave it right here and let you guys know what my total is. But come on, we know this box is like $250 already, because the moisturizer alone was $134. But anyways, you guys, I am so excited. I loved each and every item I received in my Boxy Charm Premium. For those of you guys who don't know, because I forgot to mention in the beginning, Boxy Charm Premium is a $35 a month subscription, which we're supposed to get $175 per month, with 6 to 7 full-size items. Sorry. Right now there is a wait list, which you can sign up through Boxy Charm, and they are trying to add people every month, but they have to, like Joe said, they have to do it slowly, otherwise the product value will go down if they add everyone. You know, if they want to keep these nice high-end products for everyone to enjoy, they need to make sure they don't overly extend themselves basically. So there is a wait. I know there's also controversy on that, because I guess some people got added when they weren't supposed. They were technically speaking not supposed to, because there was other people waiting. I don't know what happened on that part. I think it was a system issue, because I gotta say, you guys, that third box I have, that payment supposedly got declined, yet the funds were there on the first. So, and I heard that happened to a lot of people. They took out the Lux payment because I'm prepaid. They took out just the Lux payment and they took out premium, but somehow my base box didn't go through. I don't know. But anyways, so yeah, just so you guys are aware. But I'm so happy with my premium box again, you guys. I cannot wait to use all the items. Oh, thank you, Boxy Charm. I'm very thankful. You guys, honestly, just with this box, you guys made my day. And you guys made my month. Well, yeah, you guys made my month almost. Because this month, you guys, just so you know, because I was going to make a dedicated film and I decided not to now. But I have canceled all the subscriptions I had with Ipsy as for December. I canceled Ultimate, I canceled Plus, and I skipped the regular bag. On the 2nd, I got to see what I was gonna get, and they put a $3 lip balm and a $9 Morphe lipstick in there, and their email to me or DM to me was, well, your value is still over $120 because we put like a $60 serum and a $60 4-pan eyeshadow. Like, really? It's 4 pans because it's on a Z palette. Anyways, so I will not be doing any unboxings for Ipsy this month. I do apologize. My biggest thing is I just wish it was even, you know what I mean? You're gonna give me 2 big old value items and give me 2 crap ones. Like, I could go buy my lip balm elsewhere. I don't need to have really expensive skincare. This was $39. How about we get more of these, you know? Anyways, but I wanted to make sure and let you guys know that I was not, you know, I just wanted to make sure to let you guys know that I wasn't going to be doing unboxing, so you're not kind of waiting. If you were waiting for my video, I will have all the Boxycharm boxes. I'm going to have the fashion stuff boxes, and as a surprising announcement, I got a collab with VoxBox. So I will be getting that box this month. So I don't know what to expect because I've never gotten VoxBox. So stay tuned. But anyways, thank you guys so very much for watching my video. I cannot wait again to play with all this stuff. And I will see you guys on Monday for Vlogmas Day 4. This was Vlogmas Day 3, in case I forgot to say that in the beginning. Goodbye.